So this is Shayna. She's our new receptionist here at Chiropractic, and one of the perks of working here is you get a free chiropractic adjustment. So she's excited because she said she slept wrong a week ago, so her neck is feeling overdue. There, you feel that guy right there?
Yep.
Is that pressure okay?
Yeah.
When was your last adjustment? Like years ago, you said?
Yes.
Let's make sure that your first one, after a long time, is a comfortable one. So I'm going to do it kind of gently today because we can do a follow-up in a couple days.
Okay.
All right, is there any pain when I do that?
Nope.
It's going to be kind of loud. You heard popping before I hit
Yes.
Relax that right shoulder. I told you that was going to be a big one. But see how much better that feels?
Yeah.
Yeah, those anterior scalenes are really tight on you. But they're melting nicely. How are you doing?
I'm